All right, guys, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders, bringing you a very insightful video on Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about where was the chance to get in with multiple confluence of support. So let's dive right into the video. First, let me give you a layout of my screen. On the left side here, this is a daily chart of the Bitcoin futures market. Top right's a weekly, bottom right is a monthly. And what if I told you that on January 23rd, 2024, we were visiting support on both a weekly and daily time frame, creating new support levels on the monthly time frame. So notice we are bouncing really strong here, right? This is back in November 22. We push forward. We take a little correction here. This is September of 23. And then look at how we kind of continue onward and upward. So the monthly is in a push here. We've made a higher low. We've broken the high. That's the onset to an uptrend, all right? What am I looking for? I'm looking for the low risk opportunity. I don't have to get necessarily the bottom, but I'm looking for confluence, and I get it right here. This is the week of January 26, 2024. You can see we push off of this zone, this support area, and then we pull right back in. And the low of this candle here puts us at 41,455 before we go on to rally towards 75,000. All right? So we're talking about 30,000 points here, $30,000 on the Bitcoin futures. That's a huge move, guys. Now, maybe some of you are swing traders in cryptocurrencies, maybe some of you are day traders. Doesn't matter, all right? At the end of the day, understanding volume, price action, support, and resistance is what needs to be foundational in your trade plan. Trust me, I've been doing this for over 13 years. I have trained hundreds, if not thousands, of traders at this point in my career. And I am a market analyst at heart, so I do understand how important it is to have a foundational relationship between volume and price action. Okay? It's just so important. It's so important that I came to Hawkeye as a customer. Right, guys? I'm a paying customer here at Hawkeye. I bought my own software. I bought the zones. I bought the full boat because I genuinely believed, after all the research I've done, after all the trial and error, all the testing of all the different gimmicks out there to help you trade, that if you do not understand the relationship between volume and price action and multiple time frame confluence within support and resistance, you're going to have a really, really hard time ever becoming a consistent trader, okay? So it's super, super important that you realize I'm going to give you an opportunity today, an opportunity to take a step forward in your trading career. I don't care if you're brand new. I don't care if you've been trading for 10, 12, 15, 20 years. If you do not have a full, in-depth understanding of volume and price action, I can assure you, you could be doing better. So this week and this week only, okay, I'm going to make you an offer. Invest in the Hawkeye volume-driven software, and we're going to give you the Hawkeye zones, okay, so that you're able to find multiple time frame confluence on whether you're day trading, swing trading, or position trading on stocks, futures, forex, and cryptocurrencies, so that you can say with confidence, all right, Bitcoin's taking a pullback. We have support on the daily. We have support on the weekly. We're making higher lows on the monthly. Everything checks the boxes. If the market's going to push higher, I'm prepared to take a low risk, high probability setup. Because at the end of the day, guys, that is the only way you're ever going to become profitable. All right? I've been around this business now for a long time. I'm self-taught. I've invested in everything I could to learn how to be the very best, not just market analyst, but trader as well. Why? So I can help folks just like you, right? It's super important that you have an understanding of these components. With the Hawkeye software, we're going to give you access to the Hawkeye volume and price action mastery library. Why? Because you need to be able yourself to look at the chart and go, what is the relationship between volume and price action, and is it giving me insight to what could potentially happen next? I can assure you there's one thing I know. I know that volume is the only leading indicator that you could ever understand inside the market, because volume will show you intent. Okay? That intent can give you a thought process that allows a thesis to occur about what could potentially happen next. So what I want you to do is I want you to go below this video. I'm going to put some content down there. I'm going to put some links down there. I'm going to put the phone number of my Hawkeye concierge team down there as well. And the reason I want you to do this is I want you to consume that content. I want you to call my team. I want you to have a conversation with them. All right? If they need to get you in touch with me, I will gladly take the phone call. I want you to have the full understanding of just how powerful volume and price action are, along with multiple time frame confluence. Guys, I've been trading for many, many years, all right? Day trading, swing trading, position trading. I've done it all, okay? I am always looking at volume, price action, higher time frames. Hawkeye has bundled something this week that is going to put all that together for you, and we're going to give you the zones for free. We sell these zones every single day for $800. But this week, if you invest in the Hawkeye software, we're going to give you the zones for free. It's an $800 gift. But guys, it's this week and this week only. Don't call next week and go, oh, but there's no buts. Okay? It's super important that you are decisive, ready to take action, and we are going to give you a gift like no other, because you should be able to look at a chart, set up your screen super simple, and go, hey, wait a minute, we're pulling back into support on the daily, we're pulling back into support on the weekly, and looking down here at the monthly, we're making higher highs and higher lows. It looks like we're going to go higher. And $30,000 later, we go from $45,000 to $75,000 on Bitcoin futures. So, again, doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies. Doesn't matter if you're day trading, swing trading, or position trading. Guys, putting these pieces together for yourself is going to take you to a different level in your trading. Believe me, what I've learned over the years is you don't know what you don't know, okay? All right? You got to put your pride aside and say, you know what? If I learned something new today, I could potentially understand something different tomorrow. And this is your opportunity to do it with an $800 gift. So, consume that content below, click the links, call my team, ask whatever questions you may have. If they need to patch you through to me, I will personally take the call, because my goal is to help you understand volume, price action, multiple time frame confluence, because those are the key components to trading. Whatever you want to add on top of that, that's fine. But without that foundation, I promise you guys, you're missing something that is extraordinarily necessary. So I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to seeing you join the Hawkeye family of traders. If you have questions, again, feel free to reach out. But don't miss out on this opportunity, guys. It would be insane to give up this $800 gift. I will see you in the next video. I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will talk to you soon.